Light snow continues to fall in the North Country as we go through the afternoon and into this evening, and likely continued snow showers as we go through the overnight hours tonight and through the daylight hours tomorrow as the winds pick up. That will be the next phase of the storm system. Impact weather, we're continuing to with the areas of lighter rain and showers left over now in southern New Hampshire with some drier hours mixed in between while that light snow continues, especially up in elevation. There could be 4, 5, 6 inches of accumulation. Then the next round of impact weather will be tomorrow with some winds gusting over 35 to 40 miles an hour. And then the temperature fall behind that system sets up highs mostly in the 20s by the time we get to the weekend. Upper level system still back to our west, so while the axis of heavier moisture lifts northward this afternoon, and we'll still have some areas of light snow and snow showers up north, there will be other snow showers trying to fill in from the west late this afternoon and tonight, especially in the North Country and in spots out west. That will continue tomorrow morning, but then the winds pick up through the afternoon. Those will gust over 30 to 35 miles an hour. Hang on tomorrow evening, and still a brisk day for us with a good deal of sunshine around on Friday. That sets the table up for the colder air with highs mostly in the 20s going into the weekend.